Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You begin by isolating the problem so you fix the right thing. First, restart the phone and check audio settings to rule out software. This saves time. Next, plug the Type-C headphones into a second device to see whether the cable or the source is faulty. Once done, shine a light into the USB-C port and inspect the plug for lint, corrosion, or bent pins. Clean gently with compressed air or a toothpick. Be careful not to push debris deeper. You now move into careful hardware work. Take your time. Open the Type-C plug housing using precision drivers and secure small parts to avoid loss. Once exposed, use a multimeter to check continuity from each headphone wire to its corresponding contact. This tells you which conductor failed. If a broken trace or cold joint is visible, apply flux and reflow with a fine 3 to 0. 5 mm soldering tip. If the cable is damaged near you finish by reassembling and protecting the repair so it lasts. Make sure shielding and the strain relief are seated. Apply heat shrink to stabilize solder joints and prevent flex fatigue. Once reassembled, test both audio channels and the microphone on multiple devices and update any firmware or drivers to clear compatibility quirks. If you still have one-sided sound, double-check left/right wiring connections and try a verified adapter. If the fault persists, consider replacing the headphone assembly entirely as the last.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.